Hello! Are you a dancer, a dance teacher, or fitness trainer? Then this ad might be for you. I am the creator of ISO STYLE. ISO STYLE is a new dance born from the fusion of Oriental dance and street dance. This very aesthetic fusion has a relatively short learning curve compared to other dance styles. Even as a beginner, you quickly perceive yourself as attractive in the mirror. I am offering now ISO STYLE educations, and you get the chance to win the whole education package plus 1 year membership for free if you know how to dance. Please learn the first 4 ISO STYLE moves and send us a little video. So, if you want to become the first ISO STYLE trainer in your town, please press the button below and I will send you more information about how you can win the ISO STYLE training program.